Hey guys, welcome back to Kingna. In today's video, we're diving into some seriously cool project cars under $3,000. From iconic American muscle to vintage pickups, these classics are just waiting for someone to bring them back to life. Let's get started with this awesome lineup. Car number 1, 1960 Ford Thunderbird convertible, $950, located in Wauwaka, Indiana. We're kicking things off with a 1960 Ford Thunderbird convertible. Now, this isn't your average T-Bird, it's a parts car. Back in the late 1950s and early 60s, the Thunderbird was known for its sleek, jet-inspired design, appealing to the post-war American dream. This one is missing the engine, transmission, and interior. But for someone looking to restore or salvage parts, it could be just what you need. The seller even has the original 352 engine and automatic transmission for an extra $500. This could be a great starter project for someone wanting to piece together a piece of American automotive history. Car number 2, 1979 Plymouth Volare Duster, $1,500, located in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Next up is a 1979 Plymouth Volare Duster, a bit of a sleeper in the classic car world. The Duster was originally designed as a compact muscle car, and by the late 70s, it was still holding on to that spirit despite fuel efficiency regulations. This one comes with a reliable 225 slant-6 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. It ran just 4 months ago, but could use a bit of attention, like fixing a carb leak and a small transmission pan leak. If you're into quirky classics with some potential, this could be a great project to finish up. Car number 3, 1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $2,500. Located in Middletown, Ohio. Here's another Thunderbird, this time from 1966, a year known for its bold styling and luxurious features. The 66 T-Bird was a favorite for those wanting power with a touch of class. This one's packing a 390 big block engine and even runs and drives. While it's not road ready just yet, it only needs some bodywork and a new carburetor to get it moving smoothly again. If you're a fan of classic luxury cars with a muscle heart, this Thunderbird might be your perfect weekend project. Car number 4, 1962 Chevrolet Impala, $2,950, located in Girard, Ohio. Now we're talking. A 1962 Chevrolet Impala. The Impala is one of Chevy's most iconic cars, especially in the early 60s when it became synonymous with style and performance. This 4-door sedan has a 283 V8 under the hood and a Power Glide transmission, but it's going to need some work to get back on the road. The seller mentions it's perfect for a rat rod build, and with its solid body, it could be a great base for anyone into custom builds or classic restorations. Imagine cruising around in this beauty once it's done. Car number 5, 1979 GMC Sierra 1500 long bed, $2,000. Located in Van Buren, Arkansas. If trucks are more your speed, check out this 1979 GMC Sierra 1500. Known for their durability, these pickups were workhorses of their day. This one's got a 350 engine that's currently pulled and torn down due to a bent rod, but with a little elbow grease, it could roar back to life. The body has a couple of rust spots and it needs a new floor pan, but for anyone into restoring classic trucks, this Sierra could be a fun challenge. Car number 6, 1969 Ford F-150 short bed, $2,500. Located in Jasper, Florida, here's a 1969 Ford F-150 that's sure to get your attention. This truck runs and cranks right up, though it was previously used as a mud truck. The 1969 F-Series marked a turning point for Ford trucks, offering more power and rugged design. With a parts truck included and a set of groundhogs, you could restore this into a mean machine, perfect for off-roading or showing off at car meets. Car number 7, 1973 Chevrolet 2500 long bed, $2,900. Located in Mountain Home, Arkansas. Here's a 1973 Chevrolet 2500 with plenty of potential. Equipped with a 350 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, this truck is ready to roll. It's got brand new tires and wheels, and all the important stuff like lights and brakes works fine. The fuel gauge doesn't read, but for a truck this solid, that's a minor issue. With its dual fuel tanks and rugged build, this could be your next go-to work truck or restoration project. Car number 8, 1960 Jeep Willys, $2,500. Located in Hartford, Alabama. Now here's a mystery for you. A 1960 Jeep Willys. It was found on the current owner's property, and although they don't know much about it, it's got a motor and transmission. The Willys has a rich history, especially as the forerunner to today's Jeep brand, originally built for rugged off-road adventures. This project is a bit of a gamble, but for the right person, it could be a cool piece of American automotive history just waiting to be restored. Car number 9, 1975 Ford Mustang Coupe, $1,095. Located in Bel Air, Ohio. Next, we've got a 1975 Ford Mustang II. A model that divided Mustang enthusiasts but still holds its own in terms of unique styling and compact size. This one's a roller, meaning it's waiting for an engine, but it comes with original wheels, hubcaps, and chrome directional wheels. If you're into the Mustang II's quirky charm, this could be a great base for a one-of-a-kind project. Car number 10, 1977 Chevrolet Corvette, $2,000, located in Hopkinsville, Kentucky. Last but certainly not least, we have a 1977 Chevrolet Corvette. Though this one is missing its engine and transmission, it's still a great candidate for a full restoration. The late 70s Corvettes were iconic for their sleek lines and sporty design. If you're a fan of vintage Corvettes and up for a challenge, bringing this classic back to life would definitely be a rewarding project. And that wraps up today's list of 10 budget-friendly classics. Which one of these caught your eye? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more great car content. See you next time on Kingna.